Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about CORSAIR VOYAGER A1600 gaming and streaming laptop AMD Advantage Edition. So friend, CORSAIR has announced the availability of the CORSAIR VOYAGER A1600 AMD Advantage Edition laptop from the CORSAIR web store. And friend, starting MRP is $2,699.99 and friend, it features state-of-the-art AMD processor and graphics for mobile system working in tandem using exclusive AMD Smart technologies alongside CORSAIR and Elgato software and technologies to create a gaming and streaming experience like no other. And friend, it comes equipped with AMD's most advanced components to deliver high-end performance in an incredibly thin 19.8 mm form factor, 8-core 16-thread AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS processor and AMD Radeon RX 6800M mobile graphics enable players to game at maximum settings while capturing gameplay at high frame rates, and bolstered by AMD Smart technology such as AMD Smart Access Memory to get even more performance out of your top-of-the-line components. And friend, the CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 SODIMM memory rounds out the CORSAIR VOYAGER A1600 powerful hardware, delivering the incredibly high frequency to the DDR5 platform. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.